Yeah, here we have the Kent 10 horsepower bed mill. It says a 20 position tool changer and Accurite 3500i 3-axis CNC programmable logic controller. And we do have it powered up. I'm just going to show you some of the functions. We did a lot of the functions manually here. We didn't program anything into this. But in any case, here's your tool changer. Okay. Alright, here's your clamping mechanism for your spindle. And it does come with a hand wheel controller. Seems like some of the functions on here don't operate the machine, but in any case, we're going to come up here and go to the spindle here. This is counterclockwise. That's your spindle speed control. And we're going to reset the servo. Okay. So the servo motor does operate. It operates very nicely. Speed control right here. Alright, 0 right here. We'll go clockwise direction here. We'll go to your y-axis. Oh, you can see that move. It's the y-axis control. Okay. Go back and forth with that. And you have your x-axis. That's your table feed. Left. Right. Here's your automatic. This is your feed control for your X and Y, Z, and axis. You can see that move. That's your Z axis right there. We'll just turn it up a little bit. See it on the screen here also. We'll do X. And Y. Now that's your manual controls right there. You have your air blast on, so your air tubes right there, and your coolant tube. Here's your coolant pump. So I kicked on the coolant pump right on that control there. Not sure about what that, I think that's your touch control. Alright. PLC for the motor. All your controls. And then on the back side here, we'll just show you, this is your servo control unit right here. 440 volt to 230 volt transformer inside this box here. There's your air control system right here. Then you have your oiler system. That. Alright, we'll just hit the E-stop and it goes back into position there. It also comes with all your mounting feet right here, and these are all the guards that you're supposed to put on the machine. Of course, we didn't put them on there. I'll make sure you're mounted on to the very large skid here. Also includes your 3500i manual, your inspection record for the mill, and your Yaskawa AC drive manual right here. Tells you how to put in all your parameters. Comes with a toolbox with some tools and accessories here. Just that it's unused. It's in really good condition. All the functions appear to operate very nicely on here. And we thank you for looking at our product.